Which spray is best suited to reduce levels of bacteria on a surface? Which type of cloth is, as of 2023, considered the industry standard? What is dwell or kill time? What does HEPA stand for in the context of air purifiers and vacuum cleaners? In accordance with the color coding system established by the British Institute of Cleaning Sciences, in which environments should a yellow cloth be used? What is the term for the process of killing or deactivating harmful microorganisms to make an object or surface safe for human contact? What is the term for the process of eliminating all forms of microbial life, including bacteria, viruses, and spores, from an object or surface? If someone cut themselves and blood spilt onto a surface, which is the best way to clean it?